Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll all the way down and then go to general management. From here go to language. Now here you can see in my phone default language is United States English. If you want to set your own language, you have to tap add language option. Now here you can see only Samsung suggested languages. If you want to find your own language, then just tap on three dots, then tap on all languages. Now from here you can select any language as you want. If I select English, then select your own regions. If I select Australia, then tap on set as default and it's done. Now you can see in my phone default language is Australia English. Now if you want to go back US English again, then just tap here, then tap on apply and it's done. Also if you want to delete any language, then just tap on edit, then select language from here, then tap on delete, then tap on remove and it's done. And that is how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.